In 2020, no one told me about doing robotics engineering, or else there were no such specific videos about should I do robotics engineering or else not. But I will be very honest in this particular video that why I did robotics engineering. And for you guys, if you are not able to watch this particular video for even 5 minutes, I am not sure like whether you are serious about your decision or not, but I will request to watch the video till the very end because it will be very valuable for you. So in 2020, actually, it was the corona pandemic. But did I took the decision to do robotics engineering in order to get a job? No. So I never chose robotics engineering in order to get a job. The honest thing is I never thought about doing a job. So that is the thing, because the thing is I don't want to earn money. That is not the case. But the thing is I first of all try to do the thing which is good for me, in terms of I should like the particular thing what I'm trying to do. At least I like it for 60 to 70%, that is fine with me, but I should somewhat enjoy it while doing it. So that's why I chose robotics engineering. And while I chose robotics engineering, I was not very much aware about it, frankly speaking. I just decided to do robotics engineering because in 6th or 7th standard I watched the movie Iron Man, and there I got to know, okay, there is a term known as robotics engineer. At that time I just got to know that Iron Man is mechanical engineer, so I should do mechanical engineering. So someone in my relative just spoke me that mechanical engineering is not very good to do at that particular time. So I just figured out a term robotics engineering, and even there were no bachelor's degrees available in robotics engineering, especially in India at that particular time. There might be some, but there were no such robotics thing at a vast scale. So I decided robotics engineering in 12th standard, and I was not very much fond of the grades part, even in my JEE and MHT And luckily, or else by studying, I got the MHT good results, somewhat good. So I got a merit seat in the college, that is DY Patil Pimpri. So I took the chance, that is automation and robotics, because in my cap round as well, while selecting the college, I only mentioned about robotics engineering. I didn't go for any other branches, any other priorities. I only selected robotics because I was fixed that I should do it. The reason you guys know, because I was interested. Even I was not knowing about Arduino Uno at that time. Even I was unaware of the programming part, but I was only seeing the potential, and also I like it. That's the only reason. Okay. No other job and things like that. Okay. I don't see things likewise in the perspective of job. I never wanted to do a job, that's for sure. So later on in the engineering thing, so the basic decision was only to do robotics engineering. Okay. This was the answer for it. But later on, why I continued with robotics engineering? Because the very first point is it has future. Okay. Because you are not sticking to only one domain, that is, let's say, IT engineer or it's mechanical engineering. You get to explore a lot of things. So I am a kind of a person who enjoys doing everything. So if you are a kind of a person who enjoys doing everything, then I think robotics engineering is the way for you. That might not be, but still. So that's why it also suits me. But the next thing is, in engineering, especially students are after the job, but I did freelancing. Then also I tried to do the internships part, but I didn't get any such good internship, or else most of the times I was not selected. But when I got selected, those companies were not very good in terms of getting the experience. But then in my 4th year I started learning with Rust 2 and all those things. And also at the end of the 4th year, I was not fond of jobs, like I should get a job and all those things. But still I got some opportunities in my hand off campus. On campus were also some of the jobs. I did a job for 1 year as a robotic software engineer. Then I started my own company, you can say, own platform and company, where we provided tech solutions, products, and also trainings. So that's what we are doing right now. But the thing is, why I did robotics engineering, the only answer for it is I figured out the way for me. Okay, so the honest answer is, if you are a kind of a person who enjoys doing everything, then you should do robotics engineering. And if you don't care about job and all those things, you can do robotics engineering. Basically, you want to take that chance, you are good to explore, and you are happy with what you are doing, then only do robotics engineering. And after some years, maybe 2 to 5, maybe 3 to 5 years, robotics engineering might get common. So it's your take. If you want to do it, you can go now. I don't think about the job thing and all those things. I thought about it. Okay, don't think like I didn't think about job at all. But I didn't do robotics engineering only by seeing the job statistics. That was not on my statistics. Only in my fourth year I thought about doing a job. Okay, before that I never thought about it. So the basic thing is, you have to choose your way, what you like. That matters a lot. uh, Rest of the things are just the things that you will do. So I think you should figure out if it suits you or not, in terms of your own personality. The very last point, if you are taking a decision in order to do robotics engineering or else any kind of stuff, take a pen and paper and write down what are your thoughts, because the things which get on paper actually happen. So that's why just write it down, what you want, what you don't want, and then what you like, what you don't like. Just write it down and take the best outcome from it, like on paper, because the things on paper are the things that we actually want, or else that we know that is the truth, right? So if you can see the truth, if you can write the truth, then you can take a decision on it. So this was my reason to do robotics engineering. I hope it was helpful to you guys. Thanks for watching this particular video, and we will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together. Bye.